Alright, hello Tonume. Kedeka Unume. Now, what I want to say today, for those who you're still joining this whole Igbo matrix, learning how to speak Igbo on this channel, I want to make sure you understand how you learn. When I say something in Igbo, it's immediately transferred into English after I've said it. Okay? For example, I want to go and eat. You hear that? I want to go and eat. That's how I do it. So if you're new, welcome and stay tuned. What we're doing today is a simple phone conversation. Do we have a name for telephone? I'm trying to think because most of the time we don't have names for this new technology thing. Is it what I call it? Well, let's just call it telephone. Na phone. First of all, let me get out my phone here. First of all, you're calling your friend, just your friend. This is not your girlfriend, this is not your boyfriend, just your friend, okay? So it's not gonna be anything, sweetie, honey, sugar boy, nothing like that. I will do that too, but let's do simple one right now. Talking to one of your friends that is back in Nigeria. It's a guy. You're talking to one of your guy friends that is back in Nigeria. Hello? Oh, Charles. Hello, T-Man. Charles, hello, T-Man. Charles, how are you doing? Charles, hello, T-Man. Charles, how are you doing? Yeah, that first thing I say is, how are you doing? So when you're calling one of your friends, this is how it's gonna go. Phone rings, he picks up. Hello, Charles. One name. Hello, T-Man. Hello, Charles, my brother. How are you doing? Hello, Charles. One name. Hello, T-Man. Hello, Charles, my brother. How are you doing, Charles? And he will respond. One name. My brother, I am good. How are you doing? One name. My brother, I'm good. How are you doing? Repeating it again so you guys get it. One name. My brother, I'm fine. How are you doing? Keduka imene. How are you doing? One name, my brother. One name, I'm fine. But one name ademomma. Ademomma means I'm fine. One name ademomma. Keduka gemame. How are you doing? Okay. So, and of course, you on the other side, you will respond. Things over there. So let's do that. So hello tegwana ono ge gagakwan. Ele tonu ono means work. Ele to ono ge gagazi. One name hello tonu ga hangagazi gwen. My brother, how is that your work going? And he will respond to something like this. If everything is going good, they respond. Ono demma no koma. Work is good, very very good. Ono demma, work is good. Koma, it is very very good. Gingwa kwano ono ge kwane elo to gaga. Gingwa kwano ono ge elo to gaga. You yourself, how is your job going? Gingwa kwa you yourself, your job, how is it going? And you will respond, if it's not going good, or you're having a hard time with your job, one name man. One name that means my brother, I am tired. Ikagulam means I'm tired. Yeah, one name man. Ononka. Hey, ononka sirike. One name ononka sirike. It means this job is hard. You can say it's hard to do. It's hard to do. Listen. Ononka sirike ime. That means it's hard to do. If you say ononka sirike, that just means the work is hard. If you want to say it's hard to do, put the do there. You have to say ononka sirike ime. And then you say and then what he's asking is, what is the problem? And when there's nothing, it's nothing. Huh? And when here means there's nothing. If I ask, or you say, what is that? And when here, it's nothing. And when here, it's nothing. For simple conversation, you want to ask how your sisters, your nephews are doing. Okay? Simple. Hello to munnem ni nemegekwen. Hello to madi. Hello to munnem ni nemegekwen. How are my brothers? My brothers and sisters, how are they doing? Hello to munnem ni nemegekwen. Ele ote munnem ni megekwen. How are all my brothers and sisters doing? Simple. You just have to practice. Okay, so that's just simple conversation with you and your friend that is back home. Okay, like you're trying to get off the phone, so you just say something like Ngwanu nwanne mu jisike no I ga-ekuzi mgbe ọzọ. Ngwanu nwanne mu jisike no I ga-ekuzi mgbe ọzọ. Ngwanu nwanne m jisike. Okay, my brother, stay strong. Anyị ga-ekwu mgbe ọzọ. Anyị ga-ekwu mgbe ọzọ. We are going to talk another time. We are going to talk another time. Anyị ga-ekwu mgbe ọzọ. That's how you say it. Okay?